guys? So today I'm doing another video and it's gonna be on Animal Jam. So yeah. So let's see. Let's go to someone. Hold on, let's say hi to her. She mad at me? Oh, and of course she's gonna trade me. I feel really bad. Well, oh my gosh, I hate when they do that. Oh my gosh, I hate when my buddies do that. Because, like, whenever I trade them, and they want to trade me, like, my spike collar for, like, a balloon, I say no, like, they start getting angry at me. I did nothing. It's just an unfair trade. I mean, if this is you and you're watching the video, I'm really sorry, but no. I mean, yeah. Okay, let's go to someone else. Go. Let's go to her. Oh, okay. Usually my tripper isn't full. Let's go with Angie Bunny's done. I'm pretty sure Angie Bunny was the one that told me if she could make a video. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure Angie Bunny did that. So, Angie Bunny, if you're watching this, then hi. So, yeah. And if you actually see this video, then you are going to be super happy. So, let's see if these people have to trade. I don't want any of this. I mean, I might want a plushie, but... Oh, they have the big stone den. Oh, and they have stone sink. It's like a camp out area. Let's see what she has to trade. I already have all this stuff. Well, I don't want any of this stuff. I just don't want it. Okay, let's go to a party. What I'm aiming for when I go to the next video, if I'm probably gonna look to see if anyone has like a full set of force armor, and then I will try to trade something. But I will not trade my stone glove beta. That is super rare to get now. They don't even sell it anymore. I will never trade my stone glove. Never! Ooh. Maybe I can trade her normal whiskers. No, I already have the gingerbread amulet. I already have the giant candy bowl. I sold that in a garage sale at my den. Okay. Okay. So, Oh, he has a steampunk hat. Let's see what else he has to trade. Oh, okay. get something to eat. No, pizza. I really want some pizza right now in real life. Really bad. Num num. Sorry, no. It's a little unfair. I want to eat my pizza. Let me eat my pizza. I give up. Okay. This girl has good fashion sense. Happy Jungle Days. They have the vertical planter. Yeah. I already have the Phantom plushie, and I have the rare Phantom plushie. The golden one. Let's see what this one has. She has weird scents, but like it's funny. Wait, what's her name again? Swaggy the Swag King. No, I already have the spike collar. I don't want scary horns. Well. Okay, guys, so I think we might end the video here. So, yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you like it. So, and then my next video, I think I'm going to play a little bit of Pixel Gun. Just to get you a little motivated